Well, the thing about us butchering our own chickens is we know where our meat comes from. We know what they ate. We know what kind of life they had. We give them the best life. It's never fun. Never, 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 never fun to kill an animal at all. You balance the two. Just so everybody knows, I never take joy of killing anything, but I do take joy in filling my freezer. Today's butchering day for the chickens, and we just got everything all set up. Some last night, some this morning. It's supposed to be, I think, 93 degrees there today, so we're going to try to start early and beat the heat, but it's already hot out here, so that didn't work too well. And our chickens are over here in the shade, and they're probably, I would say, between 5 and 7 pounds maybe, but we'll weigh them out. And we're going to be processing inside the shed here. Kids have a table set up here for coloring, and we have a few tables set up here, some big tables, like an 8-foot table and a 4-foot table. We'll do as much inside as we can. I popped an air conditioner in the window, so it's nice and cool in here. And it's probably already about 85 degrees outside, or 80 degrees outside at least. And we have this stainless steel sink. We're going to go ahead and we put stoppers in it. And we're going to fill it with ice water, clean the chickens before we bag them.
Look at Pete showing off today. Oh my goodness. I think he's in love with you, Kayla.
Good job. Good job.
He's showing off for you.
I know. He loves me. Happy. Happy.
Look, he's got his feathers on all the way on the ground.
Look at the turkey.
Look at that snood. You're all blue and red. Go Pete.
Kayla, he must like you.
He does. I'm his side chick.
I know that.
I love how they stretch. I think that's so cool.
I'll go ahead and fill the pan here with some water.
With low names.
I'm dipping them in, that way it softens their feathers for easy plucking. Take a wing feather, because they're the hardest to get out. And when they see how they start coming out, you know they're good enough. So I'll give this one to you, Tammy.
What?
I would hold that chicken that you say. I'm not gonna hold that chicken. It's not happening.
Nope, you won't
them in.
bet.
What did you just do?
I don't know what that is.
Pull it out.
I don't know what it is. It's very green.
All right, if you want to open the door, I'll clean this one, and then when Travis comes out, he can cut it up. Look at the size of that chicken.
Not the big one. This area here is where I would move the chicken tractor every day. I'd move it to different spots. And you can see, I hope you can see, how much greener the grass is as it fertilizes the ground at the same time. And there's Brooke. Who you got, Brooke?
Wilma.
Wilma. She's fluffy.
She is very fluffy and very light.
Yeah, she is very nice. And Brooke has silkies at home.
Yes.
What are their names, Brooke?
fig,
Yes.
but that one came from here.
Yes.
And he grew up to be a very nice rooster. We have Olivia, who also came from here. And then we have a couple new chickens that we got at the chicken show. Their names are Petrie and Trogger, but he got eaten by a fox.
Oh my.
And then the other ones are Henny, Penny, and Charlie.
Well, you are. Okay, here's the finished product. There's our biggest and our smallest. And then we piece some of them out. Not bad.